on, kids, let's go!
Last one is running!
Seatbelts! Good job, son. Honey, put on your seatbelt.
Dad, seatbelts are for losers.
Nice one, Dad!
Thanks, son.
I love you!
I love you too, son.
It's not funny, Dad.
I'm sorry, honey. I just care about you. Please, just put on your seatbelt.
No, Dad!
I'm back to get what I want. You can't have it if I want it. You don't like it, so what? You can't get what I got. You're just jealous cause you're not me. I got more than what I need. You wanna be like me, you can't pray. I won't take your man. I'm back to get what I want.
Ow!
You're funny, Dad. I love you.
I just want you to put on your seatbelt, dear.
No, Dad, and I'm not a deer.
2 hours later.
Now, honey, come on. I am your father. You must listen to me. Please, just put on your seatbelt.
No!
I want you to be safe.
Just shut up and drive.
Home and hit the
Good one, Dad!
Honey, I told you to put on your seatbelt. Did you know that 3 out of 4 people who are ejected from a vehicle during a car crash will die? Every hour someone dies in America simply because they didn't take 2 seconds to buckle up. If a crash occurs at 40 miles per hour, a 150-pound unbelted occupant will be thrown from the vehicle with 6,000 pounds of force. Proper use of child safety seats reduces fatal injury by 71% for infants and by 54% for toddlers. And did you know that seatbelts will increase your chances of surviving a crash by 50%? Oh yeah, and almost forgot. Did you know that 3 out of 4 crashes occur within 25 miles of home? So honey, please, next time, just buckle up.
I'm back to get what I want. You can't have it if I want it. You don't like it, so what? You can't get what I got.